Hey there, this is John Stupka, and I'm excited to introduce you to Bella.
Hi, I'm Bella.
And we're going to just wait a couple minutes for a few people to get online here with us. I hope everybody's having a good Friday. What's everybody up to this Friday? Hopefully enjoying. Looks like pretty nice out there, so getting out and having some fun in this 75 degrees. It's like bathing suit weather.
Yeah, it's January.
I like it. I like it a lot. I got to go to Brazil for New Year's, and so I missed the fake ice storm. And
Yes.
brought back some good weather, so you guys can thank me for that. So it was really nice.
Thank you.
Okay, so if you have anybody that pops on, just let me know and I'll say hi to them. So.
13 people are watching right now.
All right, 13 people. Lucky number 30. It's Friday. 13 people watching so far.
It's
okay, great. Well, we'll go ahead and introduce you to Bella. Always excited here at Blue Med Center to bring some new people on board, especially when they have the kind of gifts that you have. Probably good timing for us. We've just launched a lot of our hair restoration programs here that we're doing with PRP that we use, which that might sound like Chinese to some of you, but it's using your own platelets to rejuvenate your hair. I actually haven't done that, but I've done a couple other things in the last year and have about 30% thicker hair just from using the Monate line that we carry here, as well as some growth factors that we do. I know that what you're going to introduce is something that a lot of people have an interest in, not just women, but men too. I have a couple male friends that have expressed an interest and a concern. People have issues with hair loss all over. And what is it that we're talking about today that you specialize in?
Yeah, so it's microblading, semi-permanent makeup. It is a tattoo. Semi-permanent lasts about from 1 year to 3 years, depending how aggressive you are with your skincare. It is designed eyebrow for your features, for the way you would like your eyebrows to look without painting over with a pencil or anything. It's just like a really, really nice procedure that's very natural eyebrows.
Okay, so it's for the eyebrows.
Yes, for the eyebrows.
Well, I have about Oscar the Grouch eyebrows, so I probably won't be signed up for this. I actually have to get mine de-Oscared every once in a while.
We can get your dream.
But for a lot of people, we just had Bella here this morning, and she's, you've been doing this though for how many years? I know this is relatively a new procedure out there, but you've been in aesthetics.
Yes, I've been in aesthetics for about over 20 years and in medical field for 25.
Fantastic. And that southern accent, where are you from?
I'm originally from Russia.
All right. She knows her stuff, people, so come to see Bella here.
I'm excited.
Yeah, you do a lot of other things, though, as well.
Yes,
microneedling and...
Microneedling, silk peel, microdermabrasions. Of course, I'm specializing right now. My latest intriguing treatment that I do is the microblading, the 3D hair strokes.
So that would be for somebody that has, and I actually have a few pictures that we'll show here in a second, that just has thinner eyebrows, and what are some of the
eyebrows, it's good for people with alopecia.
What's that?
And alopecia is when they lose the hair.
Okay.
And so it's gonna be very, very good in conjunction with the services that you provide for the hair restoration.
Okay. Well, I actually had a couple of Bella's patients here that allowed us to show some photos. Can you see those on the screen? So I was going to let you talk. There's just about 4 pictures here. What you did for
this lady, a long time ago, she had her eyebrows really plugged a lot, and right now this is not the look that it's in, and so she wanted a fuller eyebrow but more natural looking, because unfortunately this part of her eyebrow is not growing anymore. So she's ecstatic. The picture is right after the treatment, so of course it fades, and by about 20 to 30%.
Fantastic. Okay, and how about
this lady? She is totally blonde. She's super young. She's in her mid-20s, and she never had a really nice looking eyebrow, and she always would pencil it in. So she wanted a wider, more natural, and we matched the color with her hair color.
Very nice. So it's really, really customized.
Yes, it's customized.
My mom is watching you guys, by the way.
Hi, Mom.
Awesome.
How are you?
Hi.
Farina's mom. We love Farina, Mom.
So this lady's also in her mid to late 20s. She always would pencil her in, and when her girlfriends found out, she's like, well, nothing looks the same. Is it the same or different? She's like, no, I had microblading done. So when they came close, they could not believe it was actually hair strokes, but it's really permanent makeup.
And how long did you say typically it lasts?
So the pictures that you see, they're taken right after the treatment. The actual microblading treatment lasts between 1 year to 3 years.
Okay. And how about this last patient
This lady, she's in her late 50s, and she didn't want to have obnoxious eyebrows. She just wanted to have more trimmer, more darker, and more fuller. So, and she loved her result.
Fantastic. Well, no, that's great. So that's a little sampling of what you can expect. And I mentioned I actually have two friends that are guys that we've been, using some of the growth factor and things, and this would be a good option
For them, definitely.
For men as well. Because I think, men are always afraid of, oh, it's not going to look natural, that kind of thing.
Well, the stigma about eyebrows, everybody don't want to look unnatural. And that's what's good about it. It's not your old-fashioned, typical permanent makeup. It's microblading, hair strokes, and you don't have to use black. I actually don't even have a black pigment that I use because I try to match the pigment to the hair color.
Very cool. Are there any other, tips or anything that people ask you that you want to let people know about, or anything we haven't addressed?
So basically, when you have the treatment, all the pictures that you saw, they're right after the treatment. Sometimes it goes away faster than others, so try to stay away from sauna, jacuzzi for about 10 days, and do not wash your eyebrows. And we offer complimentary consultations. And I started Blue on February 6th. And
yes, so she's going to be starting here on February 6th. And just having her today in the lobby talking to some people, she booked several appointments. So Bella's getting busy here at Blue. That's great. You have Bella by Blue. We're going to, make some t-shirts probably here.
Sure.
So if you're interested in microblading or just learning about it, you can give us a call. The number's on the screen. We are doing a special for the first 10 patients. I think 2 of them already took advantage of that special today. But if you just want to learn a little bit more about it, we can schedule, you do complimentary consultations, I think.
Yes.
And you can come in and, really address, we do here our blueprint consult where it's mapping out, your goals based on some of your needs right now. So if you're interested in doing that for 2017, help us understand a little bit more about you and what you're trying to achieve, whether it's aesthetic or whether it's just, trying to help yourself feel a little better from the inside out. Or outside in is what we say. So thanks again. And our wonderful camera operator today on the other side is Farina Shep, who is our physician assistant. She had a break between, thanks, Farina. Farina had a break between Botox patients and injectable patients, and she's going to be here for you too before Valentine's Day with some extra dates. So if you want to see her, she's offering people up to $100 off her Botox and filler appointments as well. So thanks again.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much.
Have a great weekend, everyone.
Bye.
Bye-bye.